Hi everyone! In today's class, we have another Quickie Yoga Flow series and we are going to focus on your breath. Okay, so for this particular breathing class, we are going to try alternate nostril breathing. So I hope you enjoy. So you'll find any comfortable seat. Okay, so you can be on your mat, you can be on bolster, maybe on blocks. You can even do this on your bed. Okay. And then once you find your comfortable seat, maybe just adjust, maybe take small movements if you like, maybe even shake off the shoulders. Okay, and then once you find that, okay, come to that space where you can sort of let everything soften. Okay, so it might be a physical softening, it might be the shoulders, it might be the breath. Okay. And then once you come into that space, okay, now to work on our alternate nostril breathing, okay, what we're going to do is we'll use our right hand, okay, and then we're going to use our thumb and our ring and baby finger. Okay. So what we're going to do, so the second and third finger, you can just fold them or maybe just bend them slightly where it also feels comfortable for your hand. Okay. And then this is how we'll do it. Okay. Relax through the shoulders. Okay. Maybe breathe out completely. And then inhale again. And then letting it all go. Okay, now from here, we'll bring the thumb onto our right nostril. You'll cover your right nostril and then you'll inhale through the left nostril. After that, using the fourth and fifth finger, we'll cover the left nostril and we'll exhale through the right nostril. Okay, keeping that left nostril covered, we'll slowly inhale through the right. Then we'll cover the right and we'll exhale through the left. We'll keep the right covered, we'll inhale. And then we'll cover it and exhale through the right. We'll inhale through the right. And we'll breathe out through the left. We'll inhale through the left. And then breathe out through the right. We'll inhale through the right. And then breathe out through the left. And you can do that with eyes closed. So how about let's give it a try together. Okay, relax again. When you're ready, we'll close our eyes. And then as we get our right hand ready, okay, again, the second and third fingers, you can just fold them or bend them comfortably. And then when you're ready, we'll cover the right nostril. Exhale out completely through the left. And then you'll slowly breathe in through the left. As you cover the left, we'll breathe out through the right. Slowly breathing in through the right. As we cover the right, breathe out through the left. Slow and controlled as you inhale through the left. Covering the left, breathing out through the right. Inhale through the right. Exhale through the left. Inhale through the left. Exhale through the right. And then continue at your own pace, keeping the eyes closed. Maybe as you get a bit more comfortable doing the alternate nostril breathing, maybe you'll add counts. Maybe you'll exhale for 4. And inhale for 4. Exhale for 4. 3, 2, 1. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so give it a try. And then when you're ready, we'll gently blink the eyes open. Okay, namaste. So observe how you felt after that maybe 5-minute breathing exercise. So I definitely felt more calm, more sort of more quiet, and then just pretty much let go of any stress that you have at the moment. So I would like to thank you for watching. This is Every Yoga by Jo and Daya, sharing everyday yoga for everybody.